Our second set statistics here for both squads. 13 attack points for both teams. 4 block points for the Philippine Army, 1 service ace for the Philippine Army, and 2 for the Philippine Navy. But when you look at the errors, dito nagkakatalo ulit, ano? 4 errors para sa Army, pero ang Navy actually committed 7 errors. Now, if you have, you know, the same number of points that you make in attacks, lamang pa sa blocking yung kalaban mo, tapos magko-commit ka ng ganung karaming errors, it really wouldn't help your cause.
Definitely a lost cause at that, ano? Bautista, cross-court, dug up by M. Carolino. But, of course, Laborte right there to defend that attack from Carolino. Philippine Navy drawing first blood here in set number 3.
Well, I feel na itong Philippine Navy, no, yung ating Lady Sailors now feel the urgency of not just getting ahead in this set, but definitely winning it, because it's their last chance to extend this game and, you know, make it into a 5-setter.
As the proverbial saying goes, their backs are against the wall. Joan Bunag serving. Pati serve maganda tunog eh.
Oo, iba yung tama ng bola sa kamay niya.
2-1 the Philippine Navy getting back that point. Mick Laborte with a good serve. Open block for Ging Base.
Buti na lang ang bilis din ni Mick mag-react dun sa bola. If you look at this attack from Ging, and, you know, Mick gets that.
Muntik pa eh, no? Naka-second touch pa sila eh.
To Nene Bautista again from the back, and she uses her block.